You need to take responsibility for your failures. Take responsibility for your actions. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. White people go through life pointing fingers. A lot of it is pointing fingers. This thing happened because of this. This thing happened because of that. Or this person did this. Oh, I never had a dad. Or my mom was never really there for me. Oh my God, it's this person and that person and this person and that person. At some point in life, you need to realize it's you. You are the problem. Because of course other people's actions and everything else can affect you. That's not what I'm saying. Yeah, they can affect you. But how you deal with it is you. That's really what it is. Use this as an example, right? The reason I'm talking about this is yesterday I went out, right? Yesterday I went out and so I'm walking out of this restaurant and there's basically three boys fighting, but two boys are basically getting onto someone else. Like, so it's one boy and there's two boys trying to get onto them. I think they were trying to rob them or something. But I was looking at this whole situation and I was like, wait, so this low, I mean, I don't know the full story, but what I picked up was these two boys was getting onto that to the boy that was alone, right? When I was looking at them, like, okay, how he reacts to this particular situation is him. Obviously, you can't deal with how people act. You can't tell people not to come rob you or whatnot. That's what it is. But how you deal with it is that. Do you mean? Because I just kind of thought, right, like, you know what? Imagine something happens. Imagine for some weird reason, they don't know. Imagine he just pulls out a gun and he just shoots them up. Because he could. Do you know what I mean? No one knows what someone's got. So you go over here trying to rob someone because he's alone and there's two of you, and he pulls out a gun and just shoots you up, right? Then the next day, the easiest thing to do to say would be, well, I was defending myself, so I shot them, or whatever it is. But you still probably end up in jail. Do you know what I mean? That's my thing. You still probably end up in jail. So don't, like, basically in that particular situation, he'll be like, they attacked me, so I did this. It's they did this, so I did this, as opposed to saying, do you know what it is? Yeah, maybe there was a better way of dealing with it. Do you know what I mean? Maybe I didn't have to shoot them. Maybe I didn't have to do this. Maybe you did. That's your business. But like, it's just using it as an example, right? Just using it as an example. What you do when other people are going to do other people do. How you react to it is you. And how you deal with it is you. How it affects you is you. So if you make a decision to do something, you need to stand up on your own too and claim it. Don't point fingers. Don't say it's because of this person or this person didn't show up or I'm unhappy because of this person. They don't have to be in your life. Claim it and own it. It's your responsibility. It's your business. It's your issues. Till next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts. And come along for the ride.